Surroundings here, it's your unified teach. Let's go to the lesson. 9th Standard Science Unit-9 Universe 9.1.2 Galaxies. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe now. Click the bell icon for notification. 9.1.2 Galaxies. Immediately after the Big Bang, clouds of gases began to compress under gravity to form the building blocks of galaxies. A galaxy is a massive collection of gas, dust, and billions of stars and their solar systems. Scientists believe that there are 100 billion galaxies in the observable universe. Galaxies are also in different shapes. Depending on their appearance, galaxies are classified as spiral, elliptical, or irregular. Galaxies occur alone or in pairs, but they are more often parts of groups, clusters, and superclusters. Galaxies in such groups often interact and even merge together. Our Sun and all the planets in the solar system are in the Milky Way galaxy. There are many galaxies besides our Milky Way. Andromeda galaxy is our closest neighboring galaxy. The Milky Way galaxy is spiral in shape. It is called Milky Way because it appears as a milky band of light in the sky. It is made up of approximately 100 billion stars and its diameter is 1 lakh light years. Our solar system is 25,000 light years away from the center of our galaxy. Just as the Earth goes around the Sun goes around the center of the galaxy, and it takes 250 million years to do that.
Galaxies once were regarded as island universes, isolated realms of gas, dust, and billions of stars that were separated by distances unimaginably vast.
But no galaxy is an island. In fact, galaxies prefer company. The gravitational pull of a large, massive galaxy attracts like-sized and smaller neighbors. Galaxies may gather in modest groupings like these, or congregate by the hundreds in enormous clusters.
This is Abell 1689, one of the largest galaxy clusters known. This view spans some 2 million light years, or about the distance between our Milky Way galaxy and the nearest big spiral. Into this space, Abell 1689 packs more than 500 galaxies. As astronomers mapped nearby galaxy clusters, a more complete picture of cosmic structure emerged. Galaxy clusters gather in superclusters, and overlapping superclusters form chains and filaments spanning huge swaths of the sky. Welcome to the cosmic web. This all-sky map shows structures created by more than 1 million nearby galaxies.
let us see about 9.1.3 stars on the next video. This video is available in Tamil on our channel. If you like this video, please like and share. Please comment below. Subscribe to our channel. Click the bell icon for notifications. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.